I mean, this is a sideways range here on the strategy chart. So you could even say it's certainly we haven't got any impulse from any of the recent lows, right? That's always a you know, it's just an indication that we haven't clearly bottomed yet. The price broke a local low on Friday, like many other, well, cryptocurrencies, but also stocks. Obviously, they were under pressure on Friday. And so we're now holding this Fibonacci support area between 271.70 and 299.70. And any upside reaction from here could lead to a start of the C wave up. But it needs to be a 5-wave move, and we need to get a break above in the first stage, $367. And then this here is important, this resistance area. We need to get above $415 to $420, get out of this range. There are many wave counts, that we can consider here because nothing is impulsive. So I could even say we might just be working on a triangle. So it's a range, essentially. It's a range. I would use the trend lines as guides. And then we have, obviously, in the range, Fibonacci support and Fibonacci resistance. And the zone here to the downside is between, well, $299.70 and $271.70. That's Fibonacci support. And to the upside, basically, 361.69 and $414.75. So why do we need to get above resistance? Because if we now grind higher, it might just be an extended wave too, right? So as long as we stay within the broader range, it's just range trading essentially. And we're looking for evidence that the price is forming a breakout. I'm a bit undecided whether this is really wave 4 bottomed here in February, and we're already in wave 5, or the wave 4 might even be unfolding as a triangle, which is at the moment not very clear because we don't have enough price action here. But yeah, I mean, as long as we're holding higher lows and lower highs, there's really no clear breakout situation. If Bitcoin goes to new highs, I mean, ideally strategy follows. It's here on the chart as a bullish pattern. It can get to new highs. And ideally, we talk about the $700 to $800 range for a fifth wave. But that will become far less likely if we break below 271, and it will be invalidated. Well, actually, it should be here. It will be invalidated because then we also have to invalidate the triangle. It be below $224.50. So I see this support zone here as, yes, meaningful, but it's not a break below. It's necessarily bearish. It could still turn into a broader triangle, but then we will probably spend some more time in the range. So what we don't have in the short term at the moment is any reaction here that is in any way meaningful to the upside. So I think more patience is required here.